Hello everyone, this week and today I'm going to show you something different. I'm going to show you different techniques and how to do this tips and tricks and how to cover everything from this to this. Showing the before and after. This is the image. So this is the raw image and I'm going to show you every process and how to do it and how to take it and work with it and just get it perfect. Um retouch and make it look so credible and amazing. So first, all thing we're gonna do is that we need to duplicate it. Here, shortcut to move to um duplicate and hit it OK. So when you hit OK, you'll get to it, but I just want to add another one again. Okay, so that's it. When you're done with it, make sure you're going to clean all of this. You're going to take all of this out. Okay, all these people's out. So we're going to move to image and move to adjustments and to events. So when you get to events like this, okay, make sure when you're working on it, make sure you just look look for this image and see where you want to just clean all these pimples. So when you get to this level and make sure you just bring this out and you just move to this spot healing brush 2. Okay, brush 2. So when you get to there, make sure you just take it out like this. So this is going to show you everywhere and the mistakes and things you need to take it out. Okay, let's say this is good, but you won't find it. So we're gonna make sure we're just gonna bring all this so that we can just work on it. Okay, so make sure you would take this out like this. Okay, so now we can start just taking everything out. Okay, so I think let's just manage this and choose the face color. So when you want to do it, just when about to do when about to do it, just choose the face color first and hit it OK and move to this brush, mixer brush. Okay, then you bring this one out like this. Okay, so all thing we're gonna do is that we're going to just clean it. Okay, so I'm showing this technique. Okay, when you're done with it, you can take it back again, but I just want to add to it so that it can just give me where to just clean it, where to clean it. Sorry, today I don't think I'm much well. Okay, so this is how you're gonna do it. Try to just work on those, the side and the top and the forehead. Gonna take everything out. Okay, so I really love this style. I just want to work on the body. Okay, this much good. So, do you know what? Let's just turn it back to the first one like this. Okay, so let's see before and after. Okay, so when you're done with it like this, okay, you can try to cover just a little things around it. Okay, like this. Okay, so when you're done with it, make sure you're gonna choose the face color here where it's just clean. So when you choose it, when you're done with it, we just get this color, just move to the brush and move to color replacements. Make sure you just increase it and don't mistake it. Just do anything but okay. So try to just cover with it like this. Okay, sorry. Take it down. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So I think this one is good. So let's see the before and after. Before and after. Okay. So when you're done with this, make sure you just turn this to up here and move to image and just turn this to black and white, or you can just, I mean, yeah, black and white. So when you're done with it like this, move to filter other and high pass. And the high pass, make sure you take it down like this and check the skin where it's gonna fit. So I'm going to increase it to 2.0 pixel. Then I hit OK. When you hit OK, change the normal to and you'll get this. Okay, so this is not much. There's not much. So what they're gonna do is that I'm gonna go back again. Okay, to undo and go back again and increase it from 2 to 2.6 and move to it's okay. So I'm gonna want to get to that, you'll get something like this. So let's see before, or let me take this before. So just want to bring the texture. Then when done with it, just add them together. Hold Control K and Control E to add them. Control E to add them together. So when you're done with this process, okay, let's move to, then when you're done with it, move to this, to spot healing brush. So then you take this all out like this. So when you're done with this little things, when you're done with it, okay, make sure you're gonna bring all this thing out. Okay, so sometimes you can just work on it like this, then it creates new layer. You choose black color, okay, and then you choose your brush. Don't be afraid, just follow the process, work on it like this. Okay, or you can slow the smoothing to just take it like this. Okay, so when we're done with it, just change the normal to get one confess. So I need to put into soft light. So when I get to the soft lights, just reduce the opacity just a little bit. So when you get to this point, make sure you choose the eraser to then you start cleaning from here and here just a little. So okay, so the bag is going to fade and here too, so a little. So let's see before and after. Okay, so when done with it, just reduce it to 60, and 60 is good. Then you add them together. Okay, so I really love this process, and here I think there's something you need to fill here. You're going to cover the side because the color is not much good over there, so I'm going to bring it out like this. Okay, listen it. So when you're done with it, just duplicate it. Hit it okay. So when done with this process, okay, make sure you're going to choose this brush, dot brush. Then you reduce the exposure and step this side and here and here. Let's take it's like this, okay? Then here and here, okay? And we start from here and here to here and here to here. Okay, so let's see before and after. Then we start just putting to the side too. Okay, so when you get to this point and check before and after. Okay, when you're done with this, okay, when you're done with this, then you move to filter camera raw. So here's the final way we're going to complete everything. So here's the final brilliance. So when you get to this side, okay, make sure you just increase this color, okay, this this saturation. Then we make to then move to color mixer and move to orange. So I'm gonna change the hue to get something cool like this. So when you get to this point, get to the basic again and change the vibrance down cool like this, and make sure you're just going to increase the black, okay, and the shadow like this. So the white is now it's going to be around this side, and it's going to be around this side, and here we're going to add a little and send this one out like this, and we're going to make this pressure down like this. So when you get to this point, see before and after, then you turn this one down again like this. We need to get a natural color to make this one just fit everything. So when you get to this side, get to optics and move to the cabinet and make sure which you just cover the side and work on it as well, okay, because so this how it's gonna get it. Okay, so let's see before and after, before and after, before and after. Okay, so that's it, and we're going to go to the sharpening and don't make it too much, okay, just a little like this, then you hit okay. That's it. So let's see before and after, before and after. So that's it. So guys, I have a lot of videos I just want to show you guys, so I'm going to add a lot of things for you to just learn. And guys, subscribe, comments, and see you for the next video. Bye.